Welcome to Business Buffet, the Help Yourself video series, bringing you fast food for thought. Info you can really sink your teeth into. For best results, first review the program without doing the exercises, and ask yourself the questions in the notebook introduction. Then, zero in on each section, doing the exercises as you go. Here are some of the characters you'll be meeting. You with a business idea. Your competitor with a different idea. Your product or service. Your supplier. Your prospect. And your customer. When you hear this and see this, it's your signal that there's something to do. Have the notebook handy and jot down the ideas you get. After reviewing the whole series, your notes will be a valuable resource. As you plan and grow your business, watching again and again will stimulate fresh insights and creative solutions. And by inviting others to watch with you as a basis for discussion and brainstorming, you can benefit from their ideas too. Now, let's take the fear out of finance. Welcome to How to Read Financial Statements. By the end of this program, you'll be able to define the two key financial statements, describe their major components, and identify the relationship between them. Regardless of why you decided to go out on your own, to a great extent, building a successful business is about managing money. As an owner, you have to manage the financial aspects of your business, balancing costs with potential returns. Financial reports provide information not always visible on the surface. Much like X-rays reveal indications about physical health, financial statements tell you about your fiscal health. And just as a doctor learns to interpret X-rays, you can learn to read and interpret financial statements. The business game is a repeating cycle of selling goods and services, making money, and reinvesting to grow the business. To win, you must have profits at the end of the cycle. To win long-term, you must apply your profits to further your business interests. So, your understanding of financial tools and your ability to use them can make the difference between creating a strategic game plan and playing a game of chance. Your business involves thousands of financial transactions every year. Without the structure of financial statements, how could you possibly manage them? One key financial statement presents a snapshot of your business at a given point in time, balancing what you own and what you owe. This is the balance sheet, and the difference between what you own and what you owe represents your ownership, your equity in the business. The operating statement, the other key report, helps you monitor your performance by tracking revenues and expenses and determining a profit or loss for the period. As the owner, you provide the judgment and vision to maneuver within this structure. If everything you have is financed to the hilt, you have no flexibility. On the other hand, if you have lots of cash, you could put it to work for you and increase your return. Time is money, so let's see how this works. You're in business. You invested some money and borrowed some more to get you going. Then you rented a small facility, bought some inventory, and purchased a van. Lo and behold, you make a sale. Congratulations! Now you're rolling. Or are you? The rent is due, your suppliers want cash, and the bank wants a van payment. Not only that, your customer wants 60-day payment terms, so you'll have to carry receivables. Are you really making money? You still have some cash, the van, and some inventory, and your customer owes you. This is good. These are assets owned by the business. But the business also owes money for the van and the inventory, and owes you too. These are liabilities. Anything left over is owners' or shareholders' equity. On the balance sheet, total assets should equal liabilities plus equity, and they must always balance. Take a moment and list all of your assets and liabilities. The difference will be your equity. This has been part of the Business Buffet Help Yourself video series. Business Buffet, helping small business help itself to profit by making business learning fun. If you enjoyed this overview, you'll want to know about the other exciting products and services specially created to help small business help itself to profit. For information on the growing list of Business Buffet products and services, and to be placed on our mailing list, contact Business Buffet and help yourself to profit. Thank you.